Alright, so Snackbars was the thing I was looking for. I think it was called Toast before, but apparently that was a weird name, so they changed it to Snackbar. Whatever. If you search for Vuetify and Snackbars, this is a Snackbar. So you can see it pops up down, hello, I'm a Snackbar, and you can click close, or you can set this to auto close. That's really up to you. But I want to use this to show the user that once they just click update, it just disappears the pop-up and it does the update without giving them real notice, unless they're having the console open. So I want to use the Snackbar here to have them indicate, well, a change has been made, so it's successful. So if you expand the Snackbar here and you grab the information from snack to snack, like this, then we're going to use this to actually set it up. We don't want the key because we don't want an actual click key. We want the function that does the updating to change this, all right? So let's copy this and let's go to the top of our page and just before the container. So this can again be outside because it's a Snackbar. It's only shown when something changes, right? So we're going to call this model updated success. And this we're going to use later on to change. So this is set to false, will be set to false as a start, and then we're going to change this to true once an update item has been updated. Okay, and then we're going to do the updated capital T, updated text, and we're just going to leave this here. You can change this if you want it so it isn't pink and so on and so on. It has the icon of close, so great, that's fine. So scroll down to your where you have your data in here, because we have to set up the things we just created, right? So where we have it here. So I'm just going to do this after the activate item. The first one I want to do is I want to use the update success. I want to set this to false, and that's the first one. So once the page load, of course, it needs to be closed, not shown. That's what I'm doing here, just like the dialog box, like we have up here. The next thing I want to do is I'm just going to pop this in here and write updated text. So the text I want to add, so theirs look like, click this, it says, hello, I'm a Snackbar. And that text comes from somewhere. There we go, text is in the script where it says, hello, I am a text bar. Great. So we don't want to say hello as a text bar. I want to say a menu item has been updated, right? So indicate that what they've been doing is actually working. Awesome. The next thing I want to do is I want to tell the system down here where we have our updated item. So we know if this happens, goes through this, grabs information, sends the changes from the item, and then this, because that's what we can see in the console log, it says document successfully updated. So, and then we can see the change. If this happens, something else. But what we want to do inside the arrow function here is we want to tell the system that, let's move this back a little bit, we want to tell the system that the updated success is now being changed to true because it's updated and we want the Snackbar to be shown. That's what we want. So we're going to use this and then we want to change the updated success, there we go, and we want to set this to equal true. And that's basically all we need to do. So let's click save. Hopefully I didn't make too many errors, and we should also be able to see it here. So if I grab the test and I click, this is going to be test 2, 3 and 10, and click OK, and then I have the pop-up bar at the bottom, but that's I don't want it here. I want it up here at the top instead. So close this. I close it again after a few seconds, as I can see. So let's scroll down to our API and let's see, we can change the color. Great, if you want to do that. We have something called top, aligns the content towards the top, so snag that one, and this need to be attached to the v-snackbar. Let's go up here. So just do here after the model, and let's move it in a little bit. Save. Let's go back to our bagel shop and let's try again. So test 2 will be test 3, and 203. Edit item, and now it's on the menu, item has been updated. Great. So now we're indicating to our user or our admin that the update they're actually doing actually took effect and also are being implemented into the database here, the firestore database. Sweet, so now we have that set up, and of course right now this is being inside the admin where we have our logic for the edit and update, and we will move this into our Vuex, but we just wanted to make sure that this works before we actually put it into Vuex, because we need to create all our commits, all our mutations and so on. Alright, see you in the next couple of videos.